Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. FKJGP urges government action on flooded school access. Garo Hills faces devastation as floods affect over 6 lakh residents. Nongpo MLA launches Youth Development Program to combat drug abuse and child marriage. And MLA Gabriel Walang distributes 10,000 grants to 140 street vendors in Nongstoy. And now the news in detail. The Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo people, Mauet Circle, has expressed profound sorrow over the plight of school children and residents of Nong Trau, Nong Ding Sning and neighboring villages who are forced to navigate dangerous river crossing after a bridge was washed away by floods. Anthony Omyong, president of FKJGP, emphasized the alarming situation, questioning the inaction of government and local authorities. He highlighted the daily risks children face in reaching their schools, calling it unacceptable in today's age. Urging immediate intervention, Omyong stated that the community should appeal to the Chief Justice to compel the government and district authorities to resolve these issues. He stressed the urgent need for action before injuries or fatalities occur, particularly during the ongoing rainy season, and called for a swift response to ensure the safety and well-being of local residents and students.
Tiwan isngaw antam sa Khubor bahalon halor ka Shillong jingman ha ka bedai ka lentiyai kejat na Nong Trau sa Nong Ding Sning ka ba hapan kam ya ka wei ka wa ka ba khot ka wa leng dok baha kani ka wa ka do ka wei jingking kepala halam no na ka jing wan jong ba usan ha ki snam ar hajar san hapo ka snam taruh nak kalian jom Khubor pada kami tempat lay di nak kalian jom itu kaseng misal kia di kota marba ya kini ka hakani ka wa haban kam taki arpol ay pungut kena school bawan nano di stage na pra man kasi ya halor kani nak kalian jom itu kaseng di pau ya di sokya di kota ba ibu kasi kerpar khamat ke sarkar ba ke sarkar kan phai khamat hak beri begini suking swaba kanjia kanu jingsosi kantam dia kini kena school nak lihat juga kongseng di kapal Khubor bahalor di depan lay no kloy kanang balai nak kini jing sosi di bangsa ngat lesi hak taika jaka.
More than 6 lakhs residents have been affected, with 347 homes damaged across 246 villages in 5 districts of Garo Hills, according to Minister of Revenue and Disaster Management Khhuborjylla. In a statement on October 9, Kermen reported an increase in the death toll due to the natural disaster. He noted that the Chief Minister has visited the impacted areas to meet with grieving families. In response to the tragedy, compensation has already been distributed to the victims' families. The government is working to assess the situation and provide further assistance to those in need as recovery efforts continue in the affected regions.
Yes, actually I have to report till yesterday 9 p.m. we have received a report the incident happened in Garo Hills region. First of all, actually I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for taking this initiative to go and visit all the sites that has been affected by this heavy rainfall, flood and landslide. So he's so kind and he go personally, and I even thank the local representative of those areas because they also they have worked tirelessly to give their efforts to retrieve back the bodies of those who have lost their life. So I really thank to all the person involved in this situation. So based on that visit of the chief minister and based on the visit of our officers from our department, and then we have collected the information which I have it with me, so I would like to present it here. So it's really sad to see that this is at my tenure I've seen that this maybe I can say is one of the worst situation that we face in Garo Hills region. We have seen flood from time to time. Every year we have witnessed that. But loss of life, this time it rise up to 15 number of loss of life. So it's really sad to see this number, but there's nothing can be done by us. But we hope that the this is family. So with the collaboration of the government and all the departments concerned, whatever support we can, we are trying to reach them. So we have here in West Garo Hills district, number of village affected, we have 132 numbers, where house damage is 93. Out of that, we even have loss of life in West Garo Hills area, 5 numbers of person who lost their life and 3 are injured. In South Garo Hills, 79 number of villages affected, 244 house damage, 7 lost their life. And in East Garo Hills, 12 number of village affected, 1 house damage, and then we lost 3 lives, and where another 3 is injured. In North Garo Hills, 3 village affected. In South West Garo Hills, 15 village affected and 8 house damage. Eastern West, 4 village affected. In East Khasi Hills, we have 1 village affected and then 1 house damage. That is where a total number of house damage we have 204. Total number of village affected is 246 and house damage 347 and 15 life loss. Total number of 15, and then we have 6 injured. That is the report I have with me as of now, and we do have a loss. Loss of this animals and all, but that exact number I don't have it with me. But
on October 9, Merubon's AM MLA of Nongpo officially launched a 2-month youth development program aimed at addressing critical social issues, including drug abuse and child marriage. The event was attended by Sankupar Sinkli, Managing Director of El Elyon Institute, alongside local elders. CM highlighted that the program will be conducted in collaboration with the El Elyon Institute, a training center in Nongpo, to empower the youth of Ribhoi district. The initiative focuses on equipping young people with skills and knowledge to confront these pressing challenges. CM emphasized that the program aims to foster mental resilience and self-reliance among participants, enabling them to contribute positively to their communities. The El Elyon Institute will offer training sessions on various topics related to human dignity and social responsibility, providing valuable resources for the region's youth.
Corporation lan report rukumju. Ini tagadau nilai selok bat ki resource person ru. Ya kini kibawan barok kandon ke kenja tes hakaba sedang hakaba ngin sajit la kemno saupo do san pungut maksimum kolong san pungut kenang mengin yo ya ka quality teaching ke jingkai ka piang ka ban badrin leng bagi niki session ke bengi ngin sabu jadi tagadau kandon ke kenja tes habana kalian jom institute ke Elelion Institute kemudian ke agreement ke bengi ngilaya te ngaku ya meli hakaba kinsa penlong maki ya kini kinsa jit ya kini ki Samla ki manlong eligible namarba kan yang isibun habang ikwa ban yo agi quality ki candidate ki badon ki quality ladangin hikai de ki spa de hajarun nginam la ing haban select ya kini ki kenhun jong kini ki basa select haba kinsa yo ya kini ka jing hikai haka rukom ka ba bit ka babiang isutu kani gedi kesin ka banongkong ka kumunong mikmat bat kini orang ba aki biya senran bangi persang ban le sekin dan subun ki jingduna dekat balak ngini le ban address ya kani kamut ban ong ba barok ki baca selek ni nlak ban yo kamlut ke kamdon ga garanti ke bung kata andre ke kamram jongi jong aku MLA kalong ban bedin lenti ban peni lenti ban yarap ban ikai ban puni ke jingking no bukin prepare lede haki exam bat recruitment prepare te kita gede kapat ka banungkong ha ka bagane ka session kan salong hang ni hanong po ai kin spen bet institute ha ka bai ba san kupar in sakran ka to ni halor kan ni bat ka benda ka baar halor kan ni ka program ka banging don inspired and inform kalong na ka benta bangin lek shakishna kani kan long ka session ka balong one day session be ha ka bangin lek nyila select hang ni kidon kumba shipotli ki center la ni ki chaka kum ganuksa kani ki program ka bisisngi ka bangin le kala bandai halor ka career guidance kala bandai halor ka drug abuse kala bandai halor ka early marriage kala bandai halor ka unemployment opportunity kala bandai halor ka national.
On October 9th, Gabriel Walang, MLA of Nongstoin, distributed Special Rural Development Program SRDP grants to 140 street vendors during a ceremony held at MECOFED Hall. The event drew vendors from across Nongstoin Township who expressed their gratitude for the financial assistance. Walang acknowledged the challenges faced by these families, highlighting the poverty and struggles of those reliant on market sales. He emphasized that the grants are intended to improve livelihoods and boost income for local vendors. For those who are unable to receive funds this time, Walang assured that additional distributions would occur in the second half of the year, reinforcing his commitment to supporting the community's economic well-being.
Dengar kata orang ba ibasyon madan gumud lagajo. O tidak boleh nak kamu lulus nak kamu ini. Kan ba hari dah tak boleh dijit pada satu pun gaskim aku senang itu no. Ya kalau boleh ini tahu senang. Ya kita di balon kamu ini. Hari yang tahu senang di balon itu kita sudah ya kan skim ya kan kita petition. Tak kata nak saya ini kenang ba itu kita bio kalau itu so boleh ini hari ini mai. Kan kita ba saya pergi Khubor no. Khubor kita ayo tin kita berhadapan dengan kami. Dek lada kita belum mus, orang bila ayo katil, kalau dia tahu dia tahu sih. Dia biar pun. Dia orang makan dia di mana, atau di mana. Dek kata kalau usaha lebih.
On October 9, 2024, SSA teachers from the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, who have been protesting for 9 days at Malki Ground, attempted to meet Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma to discuss their demand for a salary increase. However, both leaders were unavailable, so the teachers submitted their letter to State Government spokesperson Bapo Lingdo and also presented a petition to the Governor. Following these meetings, the teachers reconvened at Malki Ground and resolved to continue their strike until their demands are met, emphasizing their commitment to the cause.
Dan gaji nak kalian jong sarkar, Khubor penjaj jong sarkar henry. Ada bangilah kular bangini yaj, dak akor ke buram, tikila pelat ini bangini yaj kene. Tebukta kumle shiboni ki parana kai baro, nari khasi jantia bat kumjuru nagaro hills. Tekane kene ka sen ka bahetam jong kino hikai. Namarba ngilah kentup nadu nagaro hills baro. Te kane pio I mata kimpat dan lut kibawan hadu mata ndrai kidang dan namarba ngilah penbet bakini awan hak rotation basis. Te ka update nak mata kane sengi galong bangila lek bania kedu ya u Chief Minister Badan Buram Ujongi but Education Minister Badan Buram Ujongi. Ten rai hak jing dan kane jing shlai shathe shapo garo hills te u kila yalet shathe bat nyim shimlala banya kendo yaki ten rai nakaliang kajong ga administration kila ai jimbut ingi bangi dei banya kendo no ya iba Paul Lingdo ibolong spokesperson jong ka sarkar kumtangi la yalet banya kendo I bat ilayo banya beri ya kijing kijungi kum gino hikai ki bangila ya kendo mentala kandai teli kisngi kapdai ka besuk yangi bangin syusyong hangle kamtam ya ki nohikai ke thei kijungi ki nohikai long kebe kijungi ki badon la ki jong ki khodrip ki jong ki bakin wan sa met hangne batngi ena kaliang jong i ila yo ban phone markhamat hangta lingba ka telefon ya education minister but hangta education minister la brief yi ki bat ki ba ka sarkar kala don ha ka me jong jing ya kren menta ena kaliang jong i ila ya tho yangi ba i chief minister imshim lahun takto kan diteli kimat kiba education minister ulapun kre ha ka presentation ka badingkong.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.